Stop shooting. Before you even think about putting another dime into a full-frame sports camera or that aging R7, you need to hear this. Because Canon is about to drop a nuclear bomb on the Apsc market, and it's going to make a whole lot of high-end gear instantly obsolete. We are talking about the Canon EOS R7 Mark II. The Speed Demon. The camera that Canon's engineers have been secretly designing to dominate the action, wildlife, and hybrid shooter market. This isn't just an upgrade, it's the birth of a new class of professional tools. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. For 30 minutes, I'm pulling back the curtain on the most significant camera leaks of the year. We're not just going over specs, we're dissecting the revolutionary changes that will transform your hit rate, your video quality, and your wallet. Stick around, because if you leave early, you risk missing the next major shift in photography. Let's start with the feature that is causing an earthquake in the industry: the sensor. The original R7 was fast, but it had a crippling weakness: rolling shutter. The R7 Mark II is reportedly solving this with a brand new, high-resolution, stacked CMOS APS-C sensor. This is not a rumor. Multiple sources have confirmed Canon is finally bringing its flagship sensor architecture down to the crop sensor line. What does a stacked sensor mean for you? It enables the single most aggressive leaked feature: the removal of the mechanical shutter. That's right. The R7 Mark II is rumored to be electronic shutter only, capable of a blistering, blackout-free 40 frames per second. At that speed, paired with a virtually non-existent rolling shutter, this camera will capture moments that are physically impossible for almost every other camera on the market. This isn't burst mode, it's a time machine. For sports photographers, for birders, this is the end of the frustrating hunt for the perfect moment. The R7 Mark II simply captures the whole sequence. But speed without intelligence is useless. That leads us to the heart of the Canon ecosystem: autofocus. The R7 Mark II is rumored to inherit the next generation of deep learning AI autofocus, the same system debuting in the R5 Mark II and R1. This is not just better IAF. This is a system that can accurately track subjects like insects, aircraft, and specific animal species with a level of tenacity and reliability that makes the original R7 system look like a toy. It means when that bird takes flight, the focus will already be locked, leveraging that massive crop factor to nail the shot every single time. Now, let's talk about video. Because a high-speed hybrid camera must deliver on both fronts. The original R7 capped out at oversampled 4K 60p, which was great, but the R7 Mark II is pushing the envelope dramatically. The most consistent leak points to 8K video recording. Yes, 8K in an APS-C body. While this might be a niche feature for some, the real power lies in its oversampling capabilities. It is also reportedly bringing 6K raw internal recording and a superior, uncropped 4K at 120 frames per second, all with 10-bit 4:2:2 color depth. This completely validates the camera as a professional cinema tool, offering high frame rate, broadcast-ready footage that the original R7 simply couldn't touch. And for those who shoot long hours, the leaks include a highly requested and critical upgrade: ergonomics. The original R7's smaller body design was often criticized. The R7 Mark II is rumored to adopt a body style and control layout that is much closer to the flagship EOS